In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to denoise footage in Nuke using the denoise node. If you're dealing with grainy or noisy shots, especially from low light or high ISO, this will help you clean them up while protecting important detail. First, add a denoise node to your node graph. With the graph active, press tab to bring up the search bar, type denoise, and confirm to drop the node in. Place it where you want the noise reduction to happen in your flow. Next, connect your footage. If you already have a read node bringing in your clip or image, simply pipe its output into the denoise node's input. You want the denoise node to sit directly after your source, so you're reducing noise before any heavy grading or compositing that might amplify it. Now set the channels you want to target. By default, denoising the RGB channels is the standard choice and works well for most shots. If you need more control, you can focus on luminance to smooth noise in brightness without pushing color around, or target alpha if your workflow requires cleaning up a matte. The key is to match the channels to your goal and keep an eye on edges or fine textures. With channels set, adjust the strength. This is the main control for how aggressively noise is removed. Higher values produce a smoother image but can also blur fine details, skin texture or hair. Start low and raise it gradually while watching critical areas. Aim for clean but natural rather than plastic or waxy. To fine-tune, use patch size and search radius. Patch size defines the area the algorithm analyzes for similarity. Larger patches can smooth broader patterns but risk flattening detail. Search radius tells the node how far to look for matching patches. A wider search can find better matches but costs time and can overblend if pushed too far. Small incremental adjustments work best. Balance the two until noise is reduced while edges and textures stay crisp. Preview your results in the viewer. Toggle the node on and off by pressing D to compare before and after, and view at 100% to judge the real impact. Scrub a few frames, especially in shadows and midtones, since noise can vary across the shot. If you only